the final pronunciation drill that you guys are going to be doing.
Yes.
You have seen that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
You want me
sir.
to share my? You want me to
Yes,
share my?
sir.
You want me to share my screen?
Sure, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
There you go.
Yes, please.
All right. So this is what's gonna happen, guys. I am going to read this, okay? And this is how you guys are going to be doing this on your final pronunciation drill. Remember, this is the second day, which will be on Tuesday. All right. So on Tuesday, I want you guys to make sure that your messengers are up, okay? That you have loads on your messenger, and then you need to make sure that you are facing the camera while you're doing this because these are all recorded. All right. I'll be sending these recordings. Okay, make sure, guys, that your face will be seen, not those. Yeah, I mean, because not those like it's too dark in which I can only see a silhouette. All right, so there. Everyone can see that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Can you please mute your what do you call this? Mute your microphones. And here's what I want you guys to do. Right after I read that, you can do that at your ends. I mean, directly there at yours end. Okay, so that you'll be familiar and how to pronounce the words properly. And I'm also going to be mentioning what are the words that we will be looking for during the final pronunciation drill. Obviously, it's like in there. All right, you'll be able to see that there are like red fonts, right? And these are the words that are going to be that is going to be graded. But that doesn't mean that you are not going to be doing it well to some other words. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and tell you guys. The criteria that you guys are going to be graded for the final pronunciation drill are: number one, this is the short and also the long vowels. Number two, the intonation. Number three, the rate of speech. Number four, the volume on how you guys are going to be doing this. Number five, liaisons. All right. And lastly, the clarity, the enunciation. Okay. Can you like do a thumbs up if that's okay or not? Yeah. Thank you. All right. So I'm going to start reading this. Okay. This is how you guys are going to be doing this. Right after I tell you, you just like start. Okay. From the time that I'm going to be calling your messengers, I'm going to be asking you a few questions, and please answer me. Okay. I just need to check the connection. All right. And then right after I tell you, okay, in a count of three, you may start. All right. If I actually tell you, you may one, two, three, start. You need to say this. Hi, my name is Michael Mercoso, and this is the final recorded pronunciation drill. State your full name and tell them this is the final recorded pronunciation drill. And then you can start reading everything. All right. You always start with the title. All right. You can just repeat after me I mean on yours end. You don't need to open your microphones. All right. Ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. The English mother tongue.
The English mother tongue.
With the English tongue we speak,
With the English tongue we speak,
as you can see, guys, speak is a long vowel. It's not
speak.
speak. All right. Again, with the English tongue we speak.
With the English tongue we speak.
Why is break not rhymed with freak?
Why is break not rhymed with freak?
There should be a comparison of the word break and also the word freak. Can you see the break? It's
Break,
like loosen,
freak.
and the freak is like a little bit tighten, right? One more time. Why is break not rhymed with freak?
Why is break not rhymed with freak?
Won't you tell me why it's true?
Won't you tell me why it's true?
We say saw, but also few.
We say saw, but also few.
Guys, this is not sew.
Um,
All right? So the sewing machine is not a sewing machine, but it's a sewing machine. All
sewing.
right? One more time. Everybody say we say saw, but also few.
We say saw, but
All right, and also, guys, be mindful every time that there's a comma, you need to pause. Okay? And the maker of the verse
And the maker of the verse
cannot rhyme his horse with verse.
cannot rhyme his horse with verse.
Beard is not the same as herd.
Beard is not the same as herd.
Chord is different from word.
Chord is different from word.
Cow is cow, low is slow.
Cow is cow, low is low.
Shoe is never rhymed with foe.
Shoe is never rhymed with hoe.
And think of hose and does and loose.
Think of hose and does and loose.
All right, please be mindful. Hose, it should be an S.
Hose,
Does, it should be the Z.
doze,
All right? And loose, it's like,
loose,
a tightened O. It's like the
loose,
oo, the
loose,
vowel oo. All right, one more time.
loose.
Think of hose and do and sorry. Think of hose and does and loose.
Think of hose and doze and loose.
And think of and think of goose and yet of choose.
And think of goose and yet of choose.
Guys, liaisons and yet of choose.
And yet of choose.
It's not and yet of choose.
And
Okay?
yet
Because
and
that's what
yet of
normally
choose.
happens. Every time the trainee
And
is so careful to read the words right, they're reading the words one by one. Don't do that. It should be liaison. Okay? One more time. Think of goose and yet of choose.
think of goose and yet of choose.
And think of I'm sorry. Think of calm and tomb and bomb. There you go, guys. Think of calm
Think of
and
calm
tomb
and
and
tomb
bomb.
and bomb.
All of these should be silent B. It's not comb, it's not tomb, it's not bomb, but it's calm, tomb, bomb. All right? One more time, repeat after me. Think of calm and tomb and bomb,
Think of calm and tomb and bomb.
doll and roll and home and psalm.
Doll and roll and house and song. Ay, home pala.
And since pay is rhymed with say,
And since pay is rhymed with say,
why not paid with said I pray?
why not paid with said I pray?
Think of blood and food and good.
Think of blood and food and good.
Blood and food are long vowels, but the good is a short vowel, okay? Think of blood and food and good.
Think of blood and food and good.
Mold is not pronounced like could.
Mold is not pronounced like could.
Why is it dawn but gone and lone?
Why is it done but gone and lone?
Is there any reason known?
Is there any reason known?
To sum it up,
To sum it up,
it seems to me
it seems to me
that sounds and letters don't agree.
that sounds and letters don't agree.
Guys, everybody say sounds.
Sounds.
Never forget the
Sound.
ow sound, okay?
Ow.
All right, I'll read it one more time. All right, and this will be continuously. You can just repeat after me, all right? The English mother tongue.
English mother tongue.
With the English tongue we speak,
With the English tongue we speak,
why is break not rhymed with freak?
why is break not rhymed with freak?
Won't you tell me why it's true?
Won't you tell me why it's true?
We say saw, but also few.
We say saw, but also few.
And the maker of a verse
And the maker of a verse
cannot rhyme his horse with verse.
cannot rhyme his horse with verse.
Beard is not the same as herd.
Beard is not the same as herd.
Chord is different from word.
Chord is different from word.
Cow is cow, low is low.
Cow is cow, low is low.
Shoe is never rhymed with foe.
Shoe is never rhymed with foe.
Think of hose and does and lose.
Think of hose and doze and loose.
And think of goose and yet of choose.
And think of goose and yet of choose.
Think of calm and tomb and bomb.
Think of calm and
Doll and roll and home and some.
dull and roll and home and some.
And since pay is not rhymed with say,
And since pay is rhymed with say,
why not paid with said I pray?
why not paid with said I pray?
Think of blood and food and good.
Think of blood and food and good.
Mold is not pronounced like could.
Mold is not pronounced like could.
Why is it dawn but gone and lone?
Why is it done but gone and lone?
Is there any reason known?
Is there any reason known?
To sum it up,
To sum it
it
up,
seems to me
it seems to me
that sounds and letters don't agree.
that sounds and letters don't agree.
Okay, now we're done. All right? Good. So remember that, guys, okay? That is how you're going to be doing that. Hi, my name is Michael Marcoso, and this is the final recorded pronunciation drill. The English mother tongue. There you go. That's how you do it. Good luck, guys. I hope everyone's going to get 100 for this. It's going to lift your scores up, I tell you. Okay, this time, before we end the session, I am now going to by the way, guys, on Monday for the oral questioning, I'm just going to be picking random names, okay? I want everyone to please be logged in our messenger, all right? And I'm going to be typing the first person is going to be doing the oral questioning. And then right after you're done with your oral questioning, I am going to be posting your scores in our group chat as well. For example, Marjorie, 3 over 10. That's just an example, Marjorie, okay? Or 10 over 10. There you go. Okay? So that's how you do it. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing, which will be the last thing we have for today, I'm going to be picking the names who will be doing it on Wednesday and also on Thursday for the final mock calls. Okay? Sharina, are you there? Are you there, Sharina?
Yes, sir.
You have a pen and a paper handy. I'm about to give you the names listed.
Yes, sir.
All right, I want you to list the names for Wednesday and also Thursday, and please post that in our group chat once we're done with the session, okay?
Sure, sir.
Good, thank you. All right, I am now going to share my screen so that everyone will be able to see that this is, I'm doing this, I mean, what do you call this, fairly, okay? Please let me know as soon as you can see my screen. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, we can see it, sir.
Are we good, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See my
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Yeah, we're
Yes,
seeing
There
it.
sir.
you go.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to be what do you call this? Picking the names who's going to be doing it on Wednesday and also Thursday. Tell me, Sharina, if I already reached 12 people. Okay, so 12 people will be doing it on Wednesday and 12 people will be doing it on Friday. I mean Thursday. Sorry,
Okay.
Friday. Okay, first person on Wednesday. Let's see. Lara, you're the first one on Wednesday. Belated happy birthday, Lara. Okay.
Thank you,
Next,
sir.
number 2. Let's go. Sharina, you're number 2 on Wednesday. Number 3. What's that? Janice, there you go. Janice is the third one. Number 4.
Tatawa ko sa tunog.
Ivy. Number 5. Emmeline, number 5. Number 6. LMA. Number 7. Rhoda. Number 8. Joe. Number 8. That's on Wednesday. Number 7. What number are we in? Sorry.
Sir,
Nine.
9.
What number are
Nine,
we in?
sir.
9, sir.
Nine.
Sir.
9. What did I say? Number 7 and then number 8 and then number 7. I really hate
Joe is
numbers.
8.
Wait up. Okay, next person. This is number 9, right? Okay, number 9 is
Yes, sir.
Joanne. Number 10, right? Number
Yes.
10.
Yes, sir.
Johnson. Number 11. Genevieve. Last person, am I right?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right, Sharina?
Yes, sir.
Last person on Wednesday. Jose. Okay. Now, first person that will be doing it on Thursday is, let's see. Ara Marie. Ara. That's number 1. Number 2. Karina.
Oh. Lara.
Number 3. Diana. Number 3. That's number 4. No, I mean, sorry. Diana is number 3, right, Sharina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 4. Eileen. Wait a minute, guys. Just need to answer something. What number are we in already, Sharina?
Number 5, sir.
The internet. Wait, guys. Okay, sorry. Oops, sorry. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, there. Number 5 and the number 6 is Judy Ann. Who's Judy Ann, by the way? Is she still here with us?
Judy.
Yeah, Judy Ann.
Judy and Alamo, sir.
Oh,
Si
yeah,
Ann.
okay. Next. Beth. Next. Joanna May. Marjorie. What number are we in now, Sharina?
8, sir.
8. Okay, thank you.
Marjorie is
Number 9. Oh, sorry. This is number 8, right? Melanie is number 8.
number 9, sir. Marjorie is 8.
Yeah, and I already have number 9. That's what's the name again?
Melanie.
What number are we in now, guys?
Number 10.
10.
Number 10. Okay, so who's number 9? That's Marjo. No,
It's
Melanie.
Melanie,
Mary
sir.
Chris?
Melanie,
Oh,
number
sorry, Melanie.
9.
Sorry. Okay, that's number 10 is Charmy is number 10. We only have two people left. Mary Chris and Nona. And Nona is number 11. You want me to roll one more time, Mary Chris? Not anymore.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So Mary Chris will be the last person. Okay, on Thursday. There you go. Okay. Reminders. Okay. This will be the. I mean, this is how we're going to be doing the final mock calls, guys. I'm not gonna repeat this on. I mean, on Wednesday and also Thursday. The only people who are scheduled to do the mock calls on that specific day are the only people that's going to be doing the mock calls. Okay. So, well, it's up to you if you want to go there in the office by not doing anything. I don't know. All right, but yeah, probably just to support the others. Okay, but it's still up to you. Now, everyone is going to stay outside. Okay, everyone is going to stay outside. I mean, have you seen the tables and chairs outside? You know, the usual hangouts that you guys are taking pictures, right? Okay, so you're gonna stay there, and there are only two people who will be sitting inside the room, number one and number two. Okay. Now, after the first person's already done, I mean, that person's gonna go out and call number three, and number two's gonna go to the station. The same. I guess we already did that before, right? Okay. So let us do this continuously, guys. And also, right after. Okay, here's my tip. Right after you're done with your mock calls, I want you to create the documentation right away before you forget that. Okay. Create your documentation right away and take a picture and send it in our group chat. Is everything clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys, documentation is
Yes,
still
sir.
5 points.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
5 points. Thank you. All right, I will be sending the scorecard probably on Monday on how you guys are going to be graded. All right, like opening spiel for 5 points, paraphrasing is for 5 points, empathy 5 points, assurance 5 points, verification is for 10 points. What else? Placing the customer in hold. No, probing is also 10 points. Yeah, I don't know, I forgot that, but I'll be sending that. I mean, the scorecard on Monday. All right. But as far as I can remember, that sales and telemarketing is actually 15%, 15 points. Okay. All right. So I guess everyone's now ready to do the mock calls. I can see that you guys are now ready. And so excited to do it. All right. So do you have any questions so far? Guys, take this time, okay? The Saturdays and Sundays during your weekends, please take that time to organize your scripts. Okay. Some of us,
Sir,
yes.
I have a question. Can you please give us examples of product or services to offer in the technical scenarios?
What? Sorry.
In the technical scenario, sir,
Yeah.
can you give us samples of the products or services that we can offer?
I said that yesterday. Ah.
Not yet, sir.
Not, sir. Not yet, sir.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
The only thing that the only thing that we discussed is for
The
customer service.
service.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much, Joanne. Okay, yeah, I'm having Alzheimer's disease. Okay. Anyway. All right. For no internet connection, you can offer the customer a new plan. All right. Of course, they're gonna pay higher plan for that. For example, they're paying $35 each month. You're just gonna add $10 for your plan, but these are the inclusives. These are the benefits that you can get. All right. Are we good with that? Okay. Number two, slow internet connection. You can actually offer more allowance to the customer. All right. You know, the same thing, plan. All right, as I can see that you only have very limited allowance, which did you know that slow internet connection can also be required if you only have very limited allowance. Okay, so you can just go ahead and offer them a new plan in which it will be giving them more allowance, or you can even offer an unlimited, data connection. But it should be a whole lot expensive to compared to the current price that they're paying. All right, you can do that. All right, what is the next one? Printer prints a blank page. Of course, you can offer them the newest printer in town, in which it has a voice command. There you go, or anything that you want it to do. What else? Antivirus not working. All right, remember guys that for antivirus, mock calls that we're actually doing, these people are only getting the antivirus program for free, right? So offer them an antivirus program that doesn't expire, but they need to go ahead and make a payment for that. But of course, their computer already like secured. You're not gonna lose any documents from now on if you're gonna purchase something, an antivirus program for a specific amount there. So you could just go ahead and do that. What else? Cannot send a text message. Of course, obviously, you can sell them a new mobile phone. Voicemail, customer cannot access the voicemail. Okay, you can just go ahead and offer them, a better plan for voicemail in which it doesn't have a limited, minutes for them to store messages. So you can always go back to the old messages that you have, or more storage for voicemail messages. What else? Am I done? So it's up to you guys on how you're going to be creating your, what do you call this, your benefits, okay? On how you're going to be positioning that to your customers. Okay. I'm
Thank
so
you,
happy.
sir.
You're welcome. I'm so happy that I'm not opening my camera. Didn't you know that I'm even lying down while I'm talking to you guys?
Sana all.
Can can we see it,
Yeah.
sir?
No, you can't. All right, there. Another thing, guys. Okay, I want you to take note of this during the final mock calls. Can everyone hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because I can feel that I'm talking to air. Can you like show yourselves, ladies? Come on.
You
Joe's not
Are you
too.
here
using my
anymore.
face?
You too, sir. Show yourself.
Are you sick
Well,
of
it's
my
my
face?
well, it's my
Sir,
show.
show your
What?
stuff first before we open our camera.
Okay, I'll
Sir, you
open
told
mine.
us
Sir,
before
they
that
have some
you feel lonely.
Sorry. Yeah. Uh, I cannot open my camera. Sorry. Wait, because I'm using a computer and I don't have. Oh wait. I'll try. Anyway, yeah, this is one thing, guys, that you need to remember.
Die.
There, can you see me now, guys?
No, sir.
Yeah. No, sir.
Not yet, sir.
Yeah. Don't wish
We
for
are
it.
still sharing your screen, sir.
There. I'm just here at home. Anyway. Okay, happy? Okay, I'll turn off my camera now.
No, sir. We haven't seen you.
You are not able to see me?
No,
Yes,
sir.
You're lying.
I'm pinning your camera, but it's still not. I can't see. We can't see it, sir.
Anyway, yeah, don't ask for it. I guess it's with the internet connection. There. Anyway, guys, okay, this is one thing that I want you guys to know. Okay, during our final mock calls, I am not going to buy any of your products or services. Okay? So no one will be able to convince me, no matter how good you are. Okay, but I want you guys to follow the what do you call this, the steps that I gave you for doing sales and telemarketing. Okay, you offer, the customer declines, you do the rebuttal, the customer declines the second time, and you end the, I mean, your sales and telemarketing professionally, diligently, courteously. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So
Yes,
don't
sir.
never anticipate that I am going to be rejecting your offers, okay? Because that what normally happens every time that we're doing the mock-calls. You know what's gonna happen because we already practiced that, right? Always anticipate, I mean, always think, and of course, the tone of your voice will be sounding as if you don't know what's gonna happen. All right, I want you guys to be sounding as genuine as you can. Okay. So
Yes,
take
sir.
note of the what do you call this? Take note of the twists that might happen during our final mock calls because all of these are going to be instructed as well to the person who's going to be listening to our calls. Okay. All right. Nice. So everyone already has an idea what's going to happen for our final mock calls. Again, just to give you a quick recap, on Monday we're going to be doing the oral questioning, which I will be calling your mobile phone numbers. All right. Number two, you'll be doing your final pronunciation drill, and we'll be doing that through Messenger. Make sure that your cameras are open. I can see your faces, the lips, the jaw, the entire face. Okay. Number three, what do you call this? On Wednesday, uh, the first people who are scheduled to do the mock calls, and on Thursday, the second people who's go second batch for the mock calls. Again, for documentations, create your documentations right after each mock call, and take a picture and send that in our group chat. That's still 5 points that you might lose. Okay. And lastly, on Friday, okay, these are the things that we're going to be doing on Friday. I'm going to be discussing about job application. What are the most common questions that you guys are going to be encountering if you are going to be applying in a call center? How you guys are going to be endorsed? What is the process that's going to be done? And of course, I'm going to be announcing who will be the passers, okay? Who will be declared as contact center services NC2 competent students or trainees. All right. And we're also go. Oh yeah. Why don't we plan for our graduation now? Would you wanted to do that, or would just yeah? Okay. Do you have any plans for your graduation, guys? Anything? Come on, drop your suggestions. No one has a good idea, I guess. Yes,
How
Bam.
about no, I'm asking sir if you have an idea.
Sorry, what did you just say?
I mean, do you have any ideas for
Actually,
graduation?
guys, the graduation in CCA is just a short program in which we're just going to stay on the same room to feel the vibe that it's technically your last day. All right. But I want everyone to what do you call this? I want everyone to understand as well that even though that the what do you call this? The training is already has already ended. There is a day that I am going to let everyone be back in the office, okay? Because you're going to be attending the TIP coming from Testa. Testa people are going to be doing that virtually, and everyone should be present, okay? And then right after that, I'm also going to be scheduling another day for everyone to be in the office because you are going to be signing your scholarship grant certificates coming from TESDA, okay? Those people who will not be able to sign your scholarship grant certificates will not be having your allowances. Too bad. All right. And also, we're going to be giving you an ID that you're going to be presenting directly to TESDA once you are going to be claiming your allowance. My God, very happy for the allowance.
Sir,
Yes, Feb.
the same day, sir, we will receive the certificates
I'm
that we
sorry, but
graduate.
oh yeah, the certificates for I mean for your institutional certificates for contact center services NC2 will be given right after TESDA already have given the code to validate your certificate. Okay, because this is how it works. Okay, this is going to be enrolled directly to the system that they have. Okay, it's an online system, and then once you are already done with the training, test is going to be checking your performance, all the requirements, or yada yada, or anything that's needed. Okay, and after which they are going to be creating that code. I call it a ULI. It's a unique learner's identification. All right, and that will be your code for passing the course. Okay, and that will be indicated on that institutional certificate. So just to answer your question, if you're gonna get the certificate right after the training, no, not yet. We need to wait for the codes coming from Tesla yet. But for those who will be needing your certificates, I'm stating that you already have gone under what do you call this, the contact center services NC2 for what do you call ranking purposes. I can go ahead and give you a certificate that states that you already have undergone training from us. All right, but the institutional certificate with the valid code coming from Testa will be given. That will be like I really don't have any idea. I don't want it to set your expectations, but no one's gonna leave this group chat because I'm going to be announcing just in case that these institutional certificates are already ready for you to claim. All right?
Sir,
Yes,
what
Beth.
if we did not pass? I mean, we're not competent. We do not have the certificate of competency.
Yes,
Are
you're
they
not gonna be
will
having.
hire us?
Of course, yes, of course. Again, guys, I mean, this training is only for you to be ready for employment. Okay, whatever experiences that you've gotten here, it will be applied once you are going to be endorsed and apply for a job. Now, the certificates can only be what do you call this? It can just be a document that you have undergone training and you already have passed. Okay, but just to answer your question, let's always think the law of attraction. What's the law of attraction? Every time that you're going to think that you're gonna fail, that's exactly what's gonna happen. Let's just claim it. I think everyone's gonna get a pass, okay?
Yes.
Don't start creating your own ghosts. That's not gonna help you.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
Good, sure, no problem. All right. Anything else?
Sir,
Any other questions? Yes, Bob.
how many digits is the allowance?
Okay, just to set your expectations, okay? The total amount of the allowance is 3,880. Not bad for a free training, right? And then you'll
Yes,
be
sir.
having jobs after which. Where are you gonna get that? You're not gonna get that anywhere else. All right, now
Yes,
let's
sir.
go ahead and plan for for the graduation, guys. Anything that you wanted to do, or if you guys have a different plan right after the graduation, you can just tell me, okay? If you want to go to a drinking session or anything alike, just invite me over, okay? I'll just check my schedule with that. But during the graduation, most of my trainees are just bringing foods in the office. At least, a small celebration that's gonna happen. Just to acknowledge the last day of the training together with you guys. Because the next time we're gonna be seeing each other, if you are just going to be having the orientation or the TIP orientation coming from TESDA, and also for signing the scholarship grant certificates. But as a class,
It made us
no, I'm not gonna see you all together anymore.
That's
Anything else that you wanted to raise, guys?
Sorry.
Why are you hiding your beautiful faces? What's wrong with you? I only have two beautiful people here, Beth and Joe. There. The rest, you are all ugly. It's not showing yourself. Okay, any idea, guys? Anything that you wanted to add during the graduation? No, nothing.
Secret.
Sorry,
It's a secret, sir.
sorry, Sharina. What's that?
It's a surprise, sir.
Oh, you have a surprise party? Are you gonna put a macho dancer inside a box and open it during the graduation?
You want that,
If
sir?
you wish to, sir.
Would you? Are
So
you
do
gonna
you want
put
that?
Joe? Are you gonna put Joe inside a box? Well, just to answer your question, if you're gonna put Joe inside a box, no, I don't want that. No, I'm just kidding. Anything that you wanted to do, guys, okay? I'll just go on with it. Now, if you have any plans just right after the graduation, I'll check. Okay, by the way, guys, your graduation will be done in the morning as well because you're a morning class. Okay? So probably we can start from like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I suggest that everyone will be in by 8 o'clock. Okay, so that we can we can finish the graduation right away. All right. I'm so excited for you guys to be indoors because I know that there's a lot of you in here that's going to be hired. Oh, another thing, guys. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be. I mean, It doesn't mean that I'm going to be endorsing everyone to Sutherland. You're just going to be limiting your applications to Sutherland, and just wait for that, okay? Because sometimes Sutherland is also going to be scheduling the interviews and all. Okay, so don't expect that you guys are going to be hired the next day. All
Sir,
right, you need to wait for the call.
is it
Yes.
face to face, sir?
No.
The
Yeah,
interview.
we're gonna discuss that on Friday, Sharina.
Okay.
I know you guys are already excited, right? Okay, but anyway, um, just to set your expectations, okay, Sutherland is what do you call it, hiring people who has they're prioritizing those people who has internet connection at home. All right. Once you pass the interview, I know there are only two interviews that will be done. There you go. I'm already answering your question, Sharina. There are only two interviews that will be done. Okay. And then right after the two interviews, if you pass the assessment, they're gonna look for your place. They're gonna set up the computer at your home, and you're gonna start the training there.
Oh,
Isn't
so
that exciting?
it's a work from
Yeah.
home, sir.
Yes, mostly.
Okay.
All right. Now for those people,
Even sir, a newbie work from home.
yes, yes, Pam. Even
Okay.
though you're a newbie.
Sir, I have a question. What
Yes.
if
What's
the
your
call
question,
trans
Ella?
what if the buckles uh, on our call it's a transfer call? Do we still need to offer our products or services?
Yes, yes, of course. That's a nice question, actually. Yes, that's a nice question that we haven't tackled. Okay, so this is it. What if the customer said, I want you to go ahead and change the address of that item that I haven't received? That's a delayed delivery, okay? And then it's a transferred call because it's already out of your scope. Is it okay if I'm going to place your call and hold for a minute or two? I'll just go ahead and check my resources here on how we're going to be solving that concern that you have in here. All right, thank you. Thank you so much for patiently staying on the line. All right. I'm still checking my resources in here and how I'm going to be solving the issue that you wanted to cancel the order that you have in here. But before that, let me just go ahead and give you, what I got future solution for this problem that you got in here. Let me just go ahead and offer you our priority mail. Okay. And then you started talking about priority mail. The customer declines. You're gonna do the rebuttal. You're gonna do. If the customer declines the second time, there you go. I understand, sir, that you're just focused to cancel the order that you have in here. All right, which I understand. Anyway, thank you for giving me that time to present to you my whatever things that I have offered you. Okay. Now, let me just inform you, sir, that going back to the concern, please be informed that this is already beyond my capacity. But don't worry, here's what I can do. I'm going to be transferring your call to our accounts department, and they're the ones going to be canceling that order for you. That's it. Okay, so the perfect time that you can put your sales and telemarketing, if it's a transferred call, is right after the hold time. Did I answer your question, Ella?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's actually a very helpful question you got there. Thank you for bringing that up. Okay, anything else that you wanted to do? That you wanted to ask? I'm sorry. I can hear crickets again. I missed that. All right, so if you don't have any questions, it's already 11 o'clock. I'm hungry. I haven't taken my breakfast yet. All right, I wanted to thank you guys for joining me for the class today. I will see you all in person on when was that? When will that? Wednesday, right? Wednesday and then Thursday, Friday. All right, but Monday, no, I'll see some of you in here on Sunday. Am I right, Sharina?
Yes.
Okay, there. Uh, Guys, this is not a secret plan, okay? Everyone is, invited to go to Sharina's place just in case that you wanted to have a little coaching with me or anything, okay? The only things that I'm going to be suggesting is, the only things that I'm going to be doing on Sunday is that I'm going to let you guys practice the mock calls, interjecting the sales and telemarketing, and how you're going to be handling them, all right? But for the oral questioning and the final pronunciation drill, no, I'm not going to do that anymore. You need to practice that by your own, okay? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
And also, I'm going to be giving you coachings, okay, for those people who will be available on Sunday. What are the things that you need to improve for your final mock call so that, the confidence will be intact as well? All right. Now, for those people who will not be able to join on Sunday, the group chat, we can just go ahead and do a Google Meet class as well, I guess. Okay. So you can listen what's happening. All right. Is everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, there you go. So, yeah, just good luck to your assessments on Monday. Okay. Thank you guys for. Yeah, I can hear my voice. What is that? Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. All right. Yeah, I hope everyone will be able to pass the institutional assessment, and everyone will be competent for contact center services and C2. Thank you guys. I'm gonna end this call now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Nakanta pa daw si, Bam.
Pwede mo.
Bam, kanta na, Bam.
I'll be missing you
I'm
guys.
already here.
Tara. I'm gonna miss you guys.
We won't. I won't.
Bye.
We're name,
Bye.
of course.
Bye.
Bye.
Kaya hindi ka mamimiss, Bam.